treadmills have become a popular way to get fit without leaving the house. With so many options on the market, it can be difficult to choose the right one. This is where home treadmill reviews come in. These reviews give insight into the features and performance of different models, including motor power, running surface, incline range, preset programs, and interactive features. User reviews offer first-hand experiences, highlighting the treadmill's noise levels, ease of assembly, and overall user satisfaction. Comparing different models can help you find the ideal treadmill that suits your fitness goals and budget. So, if you're looking for a way to stay fit and healthy at home, checking out home treadmill reviews is a great place to start. Welcome! Join me in this video to discover the latest treadmills for home gyms, highlighting their amazing features and benefits. Don't forget to subscribe and like for future updates. Let's dive in and uncover greatness. After a rigorous evaluation, XTERRA Fitness has secured the 5th position in our assessment. Their premium TRX 4500 treadmill is a powerhouse that caters to users of all fitness levels, enabling them to push their limits and achieve optimal results. With a heart-pounding speed range of up to 12 miles per hour and 15 levels of incline, powered by a smooth and quiet XTERRA 3.25 HP motor, this treadmill delivers an exhilarating workout experience. It offers multiple ways to monitor heart rate, including an included chest strap transmitter and handlebar-mounted pulse sensors. The oversized 20x 60-inch extra soft deck with cushioning technology provides exceptional impact absorption. The console features a reader-friendly 7.5-inch bright blue backlit LCD display and 30 preset programs for workout variety. Bluetooth FTMS compatibility allows users to connect with popular third-party apps, enhancing their workout further. Convenient features like direct access speed and incline buttons, built-in speakers, cooling fan, lift assist, and safe drop design, along with integrated carriage design and transport wheels, ensure easy storage and mobility. Securing the 4th position on our list, Endurance impresses with its highly rated offering. The state-of-the-art Endurance treadmill stands out as one of the most durable options available, equipped with a powerful 4 HP motor and an array of user-friendly features and technologies. The standout 4 HP motor, known for its weight and power, grants the T150 commercial treadmill a speed range of 0.5 to 12.5 miles per hour, while its 7-inch diameter and steel flywheels ensure a smooth and vibration-free running surface. With elevation and incline settings ranging from 0 to 15%, users can engage in intense workouts. Constructed with large 2.4-inch diameter field-bearing rollers, a spacious 60x 22-inch running area, and a maximum user weight of 400 pounds, the T150 prioritizes comfort and durability. Its carbon fiber woven anti-static belt and cushioned, shock-absorbing deck minimize strain on the user's legs. The T150 commercial treadmill's robust build, composed of top-quality materials and precise welding, ensures longevity and the ability to withstand heavy use in commercial settings. The strong frame, featuring all-steel welded construction, offers peace of mind to users of all levels. Whether users aim to stay fit with walking, incorporate running into high-intensity interval training, or prepare for distance runs and competitions, the T150 provides the options and functionality to help them achieve their goals. Securing the 3rd spot on our list, The Echelon Stride S from the Echelon Office brand impresses with its commitment to safety and convenience. It features a metal safety bar underneath the running deck to protect objects from being pulled under, prioritizing user safety. The Echelon Stride S combines functionality, technology, and intelligent design. With a 10-inch HD touchscreen and auto-fold technology, it offers a seamless and accessible workout experience. The running deck measures 20 by 55 inches and integrates handlebar heart rate sensors, displaying data in classes and on the display panel. It boasts a maximum speed of 12 miles per hour and a maximum incline of 10%. Generous side steps provide convenient step-off, and Bluetooth connectivity and a USB charging port enhance connectivity options. The built-in steel handle ensures portability, and a safety stop lanyard offers added security. With its patented auto-fold feature and built-in transport wheels, it conveniently folds to just 10 inches, allowing for easy storage and both horizontal and vertical portability. Subscribing to their membership grants access to a variety of classes led by world-class instructors, including endurance, climbing, interval, scenic, and more. The Fit Pass programs further enhance the experience, offering yoga, strength, Pilates, boxing, and a wide range of options. Securing the second spot on our top list, XTERRA Fitness showcases their exceptional product, the XTERRA Fitness TRX 3500 Folding Treadmill. This treadmill offers a perfect combination of quality, performance, and aesthetics, along with premium features that are highly sought after in a home treadmill. Powered by a smooth and quiet XTERRA 3.0 HP motor, it provides a heart-pounding speed range of up to 12 miles per hour. The long list of premium features includes XTERRA soft deck cushioning technology, an oversized 20x 60-inch running surface, and 12 levels of incline for a versatile and comfortable workout experience. The console boasts a large 6.5-inch blue backlit LCD display, accompanied by 30 preset programs that offer a wide variety of workout options. Bluetooth FTMS compatibility allows users to connect with popular third-party apps, taking their workout to the next level. Adjusting pace and incline is effortless with the console's direct access buttons or the conveniently located handlebar-mounted speed and incline controls. The treadmill also features high-quality built-in speakers for easy music listening and a cooling fan to keep users comfortable during intense workouts. With the lift assist and safe drop design, folding and setting up the treadmill between uses is both safe and hassle-free. Securing the top position on our list, the product from the Sunny Health and Fitness brand stands out as the highest-ranked item. Embark on your fitness journey with the SFT 1407M manual walking treadmill by Sunny Health and Fitness. This treadmill requires no plugs or electricity, making it convenient and easy to use. Simply hop on and start walking. Maintain balance with the help of the soft foam hand grips while walking on the slightly fixed incline. The treadmill is perfect for small studios or apartments as it can be easily folded and rolled away into a closet or from room to room. The LCD monitor allows you to create goal-specific workouts by tracking time, speed, distance, calories burned, and scan through performance data effortlessly. Dual flywheels provide an endless source of resistance, requiring more force to be exerted by the user when increasing speed, power output, and tension. Sweat guard protection covers keep the flywheels clean and free of sweat and debris. The high-density rubber handrails are slip-resistant and provide additional support while maintaining a steady pace. The non-slip running surface is sturdy and supports a maximum weight of 220 pounds. It's easy to clean with a damp cloth, wiping away sweat and debris. Rest assured, this treadmill ensures safety and security throughout your workout. Kickstart your fitness journey with this treadmill, as it helps increase blood circulation, improve bone density, strengthen muscles, enhance balance, uplift mood, and boost coordination. We appreciate your input. Share your thoughts on the treadmill for home gym that caught your interest in the comments. Your feedback is valuable for improving our content. Thanks for engaging with us.